The green salad has pretty much its own seat at the family dinner table, but if your salad routine feels a little sad, this week we're serving up simple ways to step up your salad game. And lucky for us, we've got a few friends who know exactly how to liven up the lettuce. We're thrilled to have Mel Gannell joining us in the Studio 5 Salad Swag series. You're like my comfort blanket this morning. Good to see you, sister.
Hey, Brooke, how are you?
I'm doing so good. What's new in your neck of the woods?
Well, that's a whole conversation.
Outside
offline of salad.
Offline or online? Okay, outside of salad. Hey, you are the queen. In fact, I made one of your recipes. I made two in the last week. People know you. They love you for tried and true. And speaking of tried and true, there are two ingredients that you reach for, you say, when you want to step up a salad. First, one that adds a spicy crunch.
Yeah, so I'm at risk of overselling these because they're life-changing. I know we throw that word around all the time. But
you and Oprah, changing our lives.
In this respect, they really are. And the secret ingredient that I use all the time in green salads is like a sweet and spicy candied pecan. And the reason why these are so fantastic is because you get a little bit of salty, you get a little bit of sweet, and you get a little bit of spicy. Not like the spicy that's going to make your nose run, like you can't talk so spicy, but just like enough to balance the flavors. And throwing these on top of a salad is like, it really is one of the best ingredients in any type of green salad. It works really like you don't even have to like create a salad around this. You just take the salad you're going to make anyway. You put these on top. And the other fantastic thing about them is they're just really so good for snacking.
Yes.
So I highly encourage, like I literally keep a bag of them in my pantry at all times because yes, salad, like so fantastic for salad, but so delicious for so many other things.
I like that you described it as a chameleon crunch. Like it will go with any type of salad, anything. Give us a quick one too on how you do it. Cayenne pepper in your mix, right?
Yeah, so you can use cayenne pepper, you can use crushed red pepper. They're really fantastic made on the stovetop. You melt a little butter, you melt a little sugar, you stir in the pecans, and then you add a little salt and like whatever spice you want to use. But they're actually really easy made in the oven. I have a recipe on my website. You can just Google how to make them. If you've ever been to, I think it's Cabela's or the store that makes those roasted nuts that you smell like a mile away.
Yeah.
It's kind of that style. And they're so easy and they last forever.
All right.
They last forever.
1 minute left. Cheese makes anything better. Are you a cheese snob?
Well, of course I am because I'm kind of a food snob in general. But this is my hack for the best cheese on salad is to take a block of cheese. So like a firm cheese, Asiago, Parmesan, something like that. And then you just get your everyday vegetable peeler and you shave the edges of the cheese. So yeah, you can throw shredded cheese on a salad, but shaving it this way also gives you like a little bit more cheese. That's not a bad thing. And it elevates it to like restaurant quality. You know, when you get a salad and there's like shaved cheese on there and it just makes you feel, I don't know, like a little bit more gourmet.
Yeah, you take your elbows off the table immediately and sit up straight.
Yes, you absolutely do.
Yeah.
So that's my other hack. It's fantastic. And any kind of firm cheese works great in a green salad.
All right. The nuts and the cheese. We've got it. Salad Swag is feeling and tasting great. Remind us where we can follow you for more yummy recipes.
I'm basically Mel's Kitchen Cafe everywhere on the internet and social media.
We're so glad you are. Really quickly, I got to go. My producer's yelling at me, but what one recipe of yours are you making right now on repeat? You know how you have a food crush of the season? What's your food crush right now?
Oh, yeah. It's my salted brown butter chocolate chip cookies.
I knew it. I knew it.
I know. So good.
The world is making them, and we're grateful for those too. Love you, sister. Thank you so much.
See ya. Bye, Brooke.